Here we are going to subtract two algebraic fractions, and the most important part whenever we're trying to add or subtract fractions is to make sure if the denominators are the same or not. In this case, they are the same, right? So we can just go ahead and subtract them. And we know that the result is going to be the big fraction with the same denominator, so we can put this down first. And then whenever we're trying to subtract the fractions, be really careful. So for the first fraction, whenever we have a fraction, there's always an invisible parentheses on the top and also on the bottom. Likewise for this one, the top and also on the bottom. Well, the important thing right here is that because we're subtracting the second fraction, we have to make sure to distribute the negative into this parentheses for the second one right here. Alright, the first parentheses doesn't really matter, and let me just put down the result right here, which is just the same. 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. But then after we distribute this negative into this parentheses, we will have negative x squared, right? Negative x squared. And also we have negative times negative becomes positive, and here we have the 10. So we're going to look at the top and combine terms. So let's see. Here we have 2x squared and then minus x squared. So these two together, that will give us just x squared, right? And then the 9x is just by itself, so we can put down plus 9x. And then we have the positive 10 plus another 10. So that's plus 20. Well, we're done with combining like terms. So x squared plus 9x plus 20. Can we factor this out? Yes, we can. If we factor this out, we can get x, and then we ask ourselves, what times 12 give us 20? Those two numbers should give us positive 9. The answer to that is going to be plus 4 and plus 5. 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So that's all you need to do. And as we can see, on the top, we have a x plus 5 factor. On the bottom, we also have an x plus 5 factor. So I will cancel this and cancel that out. So altogether, the answer is just going to be the x plus 4 over 1. But then, this is it. X plus 4 for the answer.